Hi everyone, welcome to my mom's channel. Today we're making a simple quick date roll. For that recipe you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which we've sieved into this dish, 225 grams of margarine, 1 cup of maizena or corn flour, which we'll also sieve into the flour just now, and half a cup of castor sugar. So these 4 ingredients form part of a very basic biscuit recipe, to which we're adding 200 grams of pitted or seedless dates. Okay, so we'll start with sieving the corn flour into our flour bowl. Then we're going to add our castor sugar, which is half a cup. We've also preheated our oven at 175 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then we'll add our margarine. And we'll gently fold that in to make a soft dough. So here you have your biscuit dough. If it's too dry, you can add a teaspoon of butter slowly, incrementally. So this dough is soft, it's easy to work with. If you add too much butter, it gets melted and it starts to split apart. So we're preparing our oven tray with spray and cook. Now that our dough is ready, we're going to make little balls. Like so. And then we're going to add our dates into this mixture. So we'll gently place it and we'll wrap around it. And then we'll just make it firmer so that it becomes an oval shape with the date inside, and we'll place it on our tray. So there we go. We have our first tray of date rolls ready to be put into the oven. We're going to turn down the temperature to 150 degrees Celsius, but each oven is different. Our mixture made between 18 and 24 date rolls in total. And yeah, we'll put this in and we'll check up on it after 20 minutes. So we've allowed our date rolls to be in the oven for 30 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. And then we turned up the temperature to about 175 degrees for 15 minutes. And our date rolls are done. We'll take it out of the oven. There you go, it's golden brown. So we've taken our date rolls out of the oven tray and we have an airtight container to which we added some wax paper and some sugar before putting the date rolls into it. The sugar helps to keep it crispy. And there we have it, our lovely date roll served with a nice cup of coffee, ideal for the perfect tea time snack. Thank you for following this easy recipe. Enjoy. Goodbye.